Hey everybody, my name is Aaron, and this is Michelle, and this is Megan. We are your program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, here to share about our events coming up this April.
And as you can see, we are all super pumped for our Spotlight on Careers in April, looking at the skilled trades. And be sure to join us on Wednesday, April the 6th for our virtual Spotlight on the Skilled Trades, where we'll hear from the Saskatchewan Apprenticeship and Trade Certification Commission about the over 40 skilled trades in Saskatchewan. And to learn more about careers in the skilled trades, be sure to check out our website, where you can find interviews with industry professionals, our past trades panels, as well as our post-secondary series looking at the different programs available in our province.
And speaking of the skilled trades, if you would like an opportunity to dress like this and like that and like Michelle, then apply now for our summer youth internship program, where you can earn high school credits, apprenticeship hours, and earn a competitive wage. Application deadline is May 4th, so check out our website for more details.
And whether you want to get that position with the SIEC program or you're just hoping to get a summer job, join us for our online resume workshop on April 6th. You can sign up on our website to make sure that resume is ready for you to get that next job. And if you really like money, you got to make sure to enter that My Money, My Future challenge. If you got that opportunity to work on it over the Easter break, perfect. And teachers, we got an upcoming workshop on mortgages. So if you have a career work exploration class, life transitions, or a financial literacy class, join us on May the 10th.
And if you want to stay up to date on all SIEC things, make sure you check out all our social media platforms on your screen.
We got to get back to work, but we're looking forward to working with you.